Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do my regular The Way I Earn Styles video just to show how to style this plaid blazer, but I want to explain how the logic works and how I come up and combine those pieces together. So keep on watching. I start with the simplest outfit that you can think of is a white tee and jeans, and I think putting on a blazer with a simple outfit like this is always elevate your look and add some style. Because this blazer has some green tones in it, brown complements these colors very nicely. This is why I put some brown heels on and brown belt, and I love matching shoes and a belt. I think it gives a nice flow of the color through your outfit, and I love how it looks. Then instead of my regular blue jeans, I put what I called upgraded basics, and I could wear it with those white t-shirt, but I decided to change it to this green cami, which nicely complement the green tones on the blazer. Then I added the same brown belt and different flat brown shoe, but I could have totally worn the same heels that I've worn in the previous look. Being just as comfortable and just as casual as the look with blue jeans, I think this one looks so fresh and so stylish, and it's all because of these this cream jeans that I call upgraded basics, something that I touched base in my previous videos, so check this out. I think this combination of cream, green and brown makes this look very interesting. I love it. Then I changed the bottoms to the ankle-length trousers to make it more of a business casual look. I love supporting colors in my look with my accessories, and that's why I added this Tate Baker watch with green, brown and gold tones. As an accent and as a complementary color to green, I added red heels, and it seems like maybe a lot going on in this look, but actually the outfit is in neutral earthy tones and only have this one accent in the bottom, and this makes this look very casual and comfortable, but very stylish and interesting. Then I changed the cami to the simple white tee, which made the look more casual and allowed me to add some sneakers and made this outfit very comfortable. I can go for a stroll in it, do some weekend chores, go for shopping or something like that. Next look is more dressed up. I wear wide leg white pants and I matched it with this oyster top. Because the top and the pants are both light, this blazer on top creates those vertical lines and make me look more tall and thin. With double-breasted blazer like this, you can wear a belt on top of the blazer, and you can do it with any of the looks, with jeans, with the dress underneath, with skirt, with anything, and I think it's a very good way to emphasize your waist and make your legs look longer. Mixing different length is a very stylish way to create an outfit. That's why I put this trendy faux leather skirt, a matching turtleneck, and a blazer that is almost the same length as a skirt. I added shoes that are the same tones as the blazer, and I love this monochromatic outfit. It's not the season for bare legs yet. Meanwhile, you can put some tights on and wear with some rough boots, which are very trendy this season, and it's actually been trendy for a while already, and I think it looks very good with the shoes as well. There are a ton of options with this blazer, but for now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!